Howdy y'all, King Louie here, and today we are playing this game called Install Wizard. Now, Install Wizard is a brand new game, free to play on Steam, just released this month, where, if I remember correctly, I have to defend my computer from a deadly computer virus. And that's all I know. I saw it was free to play. It looks pretty cool, it's brand spanking new. I'm thinking we're going to have a good time with it. So, without further ado, here we go. Now I know you just need to use, okay. I think just, okay, so you click to attack. Now it should be able to move more. It's not right. Wow, that's very small text, you know, it's very difficult to read that. You know what? We're going to ignore all tutorial today. We're just going to wing it. You know, you get the best experience of that. What is that? I guess it was bad. Okay, perfect. Just go and shoot it there. Alright, so, okay. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, we're going to skip. Alright, perfect. Okay, that's easy enough. Just shoot that. Shoot that one. And shoot that one. Ooh, file. What's it? What's the time? I am detect. Okay. I guess I gotta get that save folder or something. Not exactly possible. Well, it's just to shoot the folder. What's the time? Why is all this? Oh! Okay, they'll have it. Come on. Alright, so firewall. Don't know what firewall is, but apparently I right click. Okay, so I just do this. And okay, that's actually alright, that's really cool. Okay, boom. That did nothing. Okay. Like that. Alright. So I guess I just have to like defeat all these. Alright, here we go. Boom. Okay, there we go. I am unstoppable. Norton can hit the back button. This is the real antivirus you need. Install this. Okay, final stage. Let's go. That was quick. Okay. Now that's some music. What is that? Oh, is that the tutorial tag? Sweet. There we go. Expert mark, shit. What is it? Oh, okay. We're fine. All according to plan. False and security. Yep, I'd let them hit me. Alright, that's obvious. Maybe a little firewall get defend. Run in circles, just do shit, I guess. Okay. That's fine, just let him think he's winning. Alright. There we go. Immediate win. Install Wizard Champion. I'm going pro. Don't look like I'm not. Okay, I don't know what that is. Probably could have helped if I read the tutorial, but we're fine. What's that do? See what happens with. Okay, controls. Data shot, use spell, right mouse, okay, swap spell. Okay, so I can just swap the spell, and then, okay. Alright, cool, that's perfect. Achievement unlocked. Welcome to Myth OS. Now that is a cool name. Welcome to Myth OS version 1.0. Welcome, Install Wizard. Thank you for installing Myth OS, the greatest operating system on the planet, and probably not a Trojan horse with tons of malware. That is very reassuring. Thank you very much. If for whatever reason you want to delete this operating system, please continue. What? How does that work? Okay, next. Play, blah, 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 da, 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 da. I'm all about spells. Okay, that's cool. Alright, crafting. Awesome. This is the strangest antivirus software I've ever heard of. Okay, this is it. Close, and everything is this. What I do? What I do? Okay, I click. What I do? Okay, fantastic. Going to plan. According to plan. That was all. Everything's fine. Sure. Alright. Okay, get going there. Guess I'll just explore some. What is this? Fence, okay. What are these? Boom. Oh, wait, that's not how you use spells. Guess I'm just moving along. Okay. Hello there. Ow, ow, ow. That's fine, that's fine. We're gonna send a firewall their way. Didn't even need it. Didn't even need it. It was a distraction. Alright, let's see it. Perfect. Now what is that? Okay. Is that tofu? Okay. Man, I was just making stranger phones every day. This is a very simple game right here. I shoot, I everything, I out, and I am the best. Simple as that. See. Oh, not even a challenge. Not even a challenge. It's big TV. Okay. What is this like? Frog or something? Okay, ow. Oh, wait. That's this enough. It didn't heal. Okay, that did not do what turns out. When you actually hit a car, that's not enough healing, I'm afraid. Who knew? Monsters, dragons, mailboxes, phones, all these pale in person to the car. The wizard's greatest enemy. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Ow! I didn't mean to make fun of you. Wow. Stay away from those red spaces. There we go. And not even a challenge. There we go. We're good. I don't know what that is, but I have it. I have it. And I'm healed. And what is that? That doesn't look good. I feel like something's gonna come out of that. What the? Okay. Whoa, that's a lot. Just play a show there. I don't know what the actual story is, except for that we're just trying to. My child. It was a distraction. It was all a distraction. My child. Okay. Your spell? What was that? Nope, okay. Oh, you healed. I still have no idea where I am. See, this is probably why you should read the issue. But there's a wood. There's a wood. I'm fine. I'm good. Okay. I'm here now. They found out. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wow. There's so many of them. Oh, they're just kind of bouncing off me now, huh? Yeah, look at that. That's right there. Look at this. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm fine. Okay, it's fine. I'm pretty sure this game is still early access too, so there may be a few bugs here, which is kind of okay. A few bugs here there in the antivirus game. Maybe that's the point. Maybe like as we progress, it will steadily get less laggy, less buggy, and just more in there. Okay, so a bunch of here we go again. I don't even know what these things are. It's kind of like, I don't know, this is... I mean, this game doesn't seem to be much on story or anything, or maybe, I don't know, I didn't read what the guy was saying, but like... I don't know, I feel like it is very one of those relaxing games that you can play for a little while, you know. Get off from work, get out of school, just sit back and relax, have a good time. Alright, we got it. Oh, alright. Ow. There we go. There we go. And we're home free. Keep them on. Alright. Oh no. There we go. Oops. Left some folders. Oh. Well, looks like that. Huh. Yeah. Alright, everyone, looks like that is the game. And am I... Wait, can I kill them from the main map? I can kill them from the main map, that's amazing. Alright. Well, anyway, that's the game, everyone. Install Wizard, brand new, early access, free-to-play game. A bit buggy, as you can see here. I mean, I can't really do anything else except for restart, which, you know, I already made this far, I ain't gonna restart just yet. But it's free to play on Steam, so go check it out if you need like a cool little game to relax, you know, not really worry about. Just, you know, have a good time. Anyway, it's been a good time. I hope that you had a good time watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.